First create a shape like this and select a color. Okay, then to make duplicate you can press and hold Alt or Option key in Mac. See, like this. Then you can use Control plus D in Windows, and in Mac Command plus D to repeat the step. See. Okay. Then if you select all of them, now press and hold Alt and make duplicate. Then Command or Control D to repeat the steps. Okay. Now select this and change color like green. Same this green. Okay. Same green apply here. Okay. Same blue apply here. And same blue apply here. Apply yellow color here. And also apply same yellow color here. Now what exactly Magic Wand tool can do? Magic Wand tool can select vectors, different vectors of same color, like different shapes of same color. Like if you click on green, you can see both green selected. If you delete, both will delete. If you click red, all red selected. Sorry, so you can delete. If you click yellow, both yellow selected, you can delete. So Magic Wand tool can select more than one vector which have same color. And Lasso tool you can also use like this. It's freehand, selection. Like in Photoshop you can select here, but not images, only shapes. Like both are selected, you can delete. Or you can select like this also. So if you delete, see. 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 Okay. I hope you tried.